In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Canva plan. If you need to stop your Canva subscription, this process is pretty straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect on the screen. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed in to your Canva account so you can access your account settings without any delays. Start by opening Canva. Once the homepage has loaded and you're inside your account, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that to open the account menu. This area gives you access to the main account controls, including subscription and payment-related options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your account preferences and subscription details. Depending on your screen size or device, the layout may look slightly different, but the option you need should still be easy to find. Once you're in Settings, go to Billing. This is the section where Canva keeps your plan information, renewal details, and billing management tools. If you're cancelling because you no longer need the paid features, this is the right place to make that change. Inside the billing section, look for the option that says Cancel Plan and click it. After that, Canva will usually give you a confirmation prompt before anything is finalized. This is a normal part of the process and is meant to make sure you don't cancel by accident. At this point, you'll be asked to choose between pausing your subscription for 3 months or continuing with the cancellation. If you think you may want to use Canva again soon, pausing can be a useful option because it gives you a break without fully ending your plan right away. If you're sure you want to stop the subscription completely, choose Continue Cancellation. Select the option that works best for you, then follow any final on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. Be sure to read the confirmation message carefully so you understand when your plan changes will take effect. In many cases, you may still have access to your paid features until the end of your current billing period. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Canva plan, or pause it for a few months if that better fits your needs.